If you're trying to recall an email in Hostinger Webmail, I need to save you some time right away. You can't actually unsend messages there. Hostinger Webmail, which runs on Roundcube, does not include a recall feature or an undo send option, so once an email is sent, it is delivered immediately and there is no built-in way to pull it back. In this video, I'm going to show you what that means, why it happens, and the best workaround you can use instead. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Now let's get into it. First, open your Hostinger Webmail account as you normally would and go to your inbox. If you've just sent the email and realized there was a mistake, check the message carefully. If the email has already left your outbox, then the recall option is not available inside Hostinger Webmail. That's because unlike some email services that offer delayed sending or message recall, Hostinger's webmail interface doesn't support those features. This is important to understand so you don't waste time looking for a button that isn't there. So what should you do instead? The best solution is to send a correction email right away. To do that, click Compose and create a new message to the same recipient. In the subject line, be clear and simple, like correction to my previous email or please ignore my last message. Then, in the body, briefly explain the mistake. For example, you can say that you sent the wrong attachment, included incorrect information, or need to clarify one of the details. Keep it short, polite, and direct so the recipient can quickly understand what happened. If the email was sensitive or important, you may also want to apologize and provide the correct information in the same message. That way, even though you can't recall the original email, you can still reduce confusion and fix the issue fast. Another good habit for the future is to slow down before sending important emails. Double check the recipient, subject line, attachments, and message body before you click send. If you often worry about mistakes, you may want to write your message first, review it, and then send it only when you're sure everything is correct. Since Hostinger Webmail does not offer an undo send feature, prevention is the best protection. So to recap, you cannot recall or unsend an email in Hostinger Webmail because Roundcube does not provide a recall function. Once it's sent, it's gone, but you can still handle the situation professionally by sending a follow-up correction email through Compose and explaining the mistake clearly. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more Hostinger and email guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.